Today, I want to unravel the recent arrest of naMutsvangwa and the ensuing turmoil in the ZANU-PF party. It's a story filled with intrigue, internal conflicts, and the struggle for power. June 2024, Zimbabwe. The political landscape is shaken as naMutsvangwa, a key figure in the ZANU-PF party, finds himself behind bars. The charges, unclear to the public, but the implications are profound. naMutsvangwa, a prominent party official and vocal spokesman, steps into the limelight, accusing senior officials of orchestrating Neville's arrest. According to Chris, this isn't just a simple legal matter, it's a calculated move by certain factions within the party to consolidate power. But why should this matter to us? Well, ZANU-PF isn't just any party, it's been at the helm of Zimbabwean politics since the nation gained independence. The stability of this party affects everything from economic policies to international relations. As the news breaks, the streets of Harare buzz with whispers and rumors. Is this arrest a sign of a deeper rift within the party? Are we seeing the beginnings of a significant political shift? naMutsvangwa's accusations hint at a bitter battle of ideologies within ZANU-PF. He claims that the arrest is part of a larger agenda to silence dissent and control the narrative before the upcoming National People's Conference. This event, crucial for the party's restructuring, now hangs in the balance, shadowed by uncertainty and suspicion. On the ground, the reactions are mixed. Some see this as a necessary step to weed out corruption and disloyalty. Others view it as a dangerous move that could fragment the party and weaken its grip on power. The common thread? Everyone is watching closely, eager to see how this drama unfolds. In Zimbabwe, political movements aren't just about the headlines, they're about the future of the nation. As tensions rise within ZANU-PF, the impact will likely ripple across the country's social and economic fabric. So, what's next? As observers, we can only speculate and stay tuned. But one thing's for certain, the outcome of this internal strife will shape Zimbabwe's political landscape for years to come. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the situation in Zimbabwe? Let's discuss. Until next time, keep an eye on the news and stay informed.